What's going on YouTube? Today I've got a video for you. It's this website called Prolific. You take surveys and you make money. You can see the amount of surveys I did, the amount of approved surveys, and the total amount of money that I've made in pounds. And we're going to convert that. Actually, let's convert it right now. Let's not waste any of your time. That is 49 USD, and I recently cashed out like 20 something pounds, and I still have about 15 pounds in pending cash. And pending balance is basically all these surveys that I've taken that's awaiting reviews. You can have a look at all of the approved stuff is stuff that I've already cashed out, and this is my second cash out. My first cash out was about 10 pounds, which is about around 13 USD, and I did purchase something with it. It sends it straight to your PayPal. I'm going to show you a list of like all the surveys that I've done. This one right here was for 2 pounds. That's been approved. Let's go down some more. This one was for 5 pounds, 5.86 right here. It's probably that's the highest amount in a survey that I've ever done, ever. And I think that one was a little lengthy. And as we can see, so I started on June 7th is when I started actually taking these surveys. And you're going to be returning some surveys. Sometimes maybe you're not paying as much attention, and for whatever reason you miss attention checks, just return it, aka cancel the survey for whatever reason, and it's going to return it, and you're not going to take like a hit on your account. It really doesn't matter. I've returned probably about 3 surveys. No one really cares. It doesn't affect how many surveys you're going to get. But let me show you how to first sign up. Actually, let me take a sip of water. But yeah, okay, so we're going to go to google.com. You all know Google. And then you're going to search Prolific, right? And then you're gonna hit this right here, prolific.co. You're gonna click on that. Here's the website, and this is how the website looks, right? You know it's Prolific because it's prolific.co. I'm gonna have this in the description of the video. So we're gonna go here in the top right hand corner. We're gonna hit sign up. It's going to take us to this page. We're going to hit take studies, and it's going to ask us to join the waitlist. They're like, we've got lots of interest in Prolific, join our waitlist. So we're going to hit join waitlist, right? You're going to type your first name, your last name, your country of residence, so the country that you're living in, your ethnic group, and your assigned gender at birth, and you know, how old you are, basically your date of birth and your email, right? And then you're gonna hit I agree, and you should be able to sign up with this. But if it's gonna give you an error, then toggle this as well and then hit sign up. Of course, I'm not going to sign up with false information. After you finish signing up, it's going to send you an email asking you to confirm that you want to join the waitlist. You're going to say, yes, I want to join that waitlist. This is the email that you're going to get. This is how it's going to look. It's going to say, hi, your name. In order to join our waitlist, we want you to confirm your email. You're going to confirm that email. And then after a couple days, I only had to wait about a week, I want to say. And that brings me to my next screenshot, which is the screenshot you get when they ask you to officially join the website. It's going to say, hi, thanks for waiting. We want you to be a participant, and you have to show your photo ID. So like a state ID, you can use your state ID, and then it's gonna make you take a selfie as well. And once you do that, but remember the link does expire like it shows here. So, once you get the email, make sure to do that. Let's go here anyways. So as you can see, I have it says pending cash out. So I just started that. Today is Monday, and for me it's Tuesday and Friday are the payout dates, but after you cash out 4 times, you can cash out instantly. So as soon as you get £5, you do not have to wait. And it shows my email there. Unfortunately, hopefully, I did some video magic where I block that out. But as you can see, I cashed out £29, and we can convert that right now actually. So we're gonna say 29, and that's gonna be $36 according to Google. So I'm going to have $36 in my PayPal by tomorrow from these surveys, in which I only have one survey available to me at the moment. This one is gonna take 36 minutes to complete. It's going to award you £5, 5.25, and based on the money that they're going to give you and the amount of time it's going to take to complete, it estimates about £8, 8.5 pounds per hour if you completed this in the estimated 35 minutes. And right here you can see the total amount of people that can take the survey. You can see the amount of people that have taken the survey. So the total is 75. 58 people have taken the survey, and there are 17 spots available. So I could choose not interested, or I can choose to take part into the survey. And this says that it's a 2-part survey. So let's see. So after this is the first part of it. So after you complete this survey in like, what does it say? Within like a week, or no, you'll be invited to the second part after 2 weeks. So after 2 weeks, it's going to give you another most likely high-paying survey like this one. So it's always good to take these preliminaries. If you're up for it, you do have 97 minutes to complete it. So you could start this, go about it for a little bit, maybe like go to the store, whatever. You have a good amount of time. Don't feel you need to, sit there for 36 entire minutes and just like hammer away at it. When it comes to these longer surveys, it's fine to take a break and hydrate, like I'm about to right now. But yeah, that's honestly almost it. There's one more thing that I want to show you. So after you're accepted to Prolific, there's they're just about you section where you basically fill out a bunch of stuff depending on these parameters. These are the parameters that researchers are going to use when they send out their survey. Say if you know a certain tool or software in technology, and a certain researcher wants people who know about that software or technology to answer their surveys, then you're going to be able to get that survey to you, which is why it's important to always fill this out and check it at least once a day, because there could be something new in here. I know I should practice what I preach and fill it out fully, but I'm a little bit lazy. But hey, that's fine. I've made a good amount, a fair amount. But yeah, that's all there is to it. I'm going to show you this again. I'm going to take you through, a couple pages of like surveys that I've completed, just so you can get the gist of the type of things that you will be taking. Most of it is above 1 USD. I am a little bit selective at certain times. I wasn't, I was just like, some of them are about 1 minute, some of even 30 seconds for like, what, 25 cents for 30 seconds of work. So I'm like, okay, why the heck not, right? But yeah, if you have any questions, concerns, definitely let me know, and I will try to assist you as best as I can. I'm going to be uploading more ways to make money online because it's really cool not being able to have to leave your home and to just sit here and make some cash. It can pay for Netflix, for Hulu, for whatever you want to put it towards. But yeah, guys, this has been your boy. Take care of yourselves. Stay hydrated.